Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Instagram from your Android phone quickly and easily. Before we begin, let me quickly answer one of the most common questions. What happens if I uninstall Instagram? Well, don't worry, uninstalling the app won't delete your Instagram account, and you won't lose any data. It simply removes the app from your phone. You can reinstall it anytime and log back into your account, or use it on another phone. Everything will still be right where you left it. So, let's get started. First, find the Instagram app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, tap and hold the Instagram icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on Uninstall or drag the icon to the trash bin at the top of the screen. Now, confirm by tapping OK or Uninstall in the pop-up message. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.